Hello students, welcome to e-learning. In this video we are going to solve one more problem on center of gravity. So first we will try to understand what is the question asked. I section with the top flange 250 by 38. Sorry, the question need to be changed. In the figure you can find out the top flange is 150 by 15 mm. Just go through the changes. I section with top flange 150 by 15 mm, web 15 into 270 mm, and bottom flange 75 into 15 mm. Okay, determine centroid. So you can go through this. First and foremost thing, divide all the three sections. Top rectangular section, top flange as section 1, web section as section 2, and bottom flange as section 3. Okay, find out all the areas of respective sections. Area 1 is 150 into 15, that is 2250 millimeter square. Next it is x1. So x1 is with respect to the leftmost reference line. So x1 will be from CG of section 1, from CG. X2 will be CG of section 2, and x3 will be from this section. Okay, now coming to the next section, or coming to calculation of y1. Y1 is taken from the CG of section 1, that is 15 by 2 plus 270 plus thickness of the bottom flange, that is 15. You will get 292.5 millimeters. Next we will take up with second section, that is web section. So web section will be having CG at this location. From there you are going to take till this. So this horizontal distance till CG is nothing but x2 distance for section 2. Okay, next we will consider it as y2. Y2 distance will be from the CG till the bottommost. This is nothing but the y2 distance from the bottommost layer or the reference line. So y2 will be 270. This is 270 by 2. Okay, till this, and then thickness of this bottom flange. Okay, so this is nothing but y2, that is 150 millimeters. Coming to next, area of section 2 is taken as 15 into 270. So 4050 millimeter square. Coming to A3 section, area is 75 into 15 millimeter square, 1125 millimeter square. Then x3 will be taken from the leftmost reference line. So this is the CG of x3 section. So from this to this it will be x3 distance, that is 150 from this y axis. So 150 divided by 2, it will be 75 millimeters, right? So coming to next y1, sorry, it should be again y3 here. Okay, because we are talking about y3. So y3 is nothing but vertical distance from this CG. So from this center, half of this thickness. So 15 by 2, 7.5 millimeters. Put all these values in x bar formula, in this x bar formula and y bar formula. Okay, so you are going to get x bar as 75 millimeters, y bar as 171.51 millimeters. So this, from this reference line if you mark 75 millimeters, it will be exactly in the center here. Then if you mark y bar, that is 171.59 millimeters from bottom reference line vertically on this distance, this at this location somewhere, you are going to get the main CG of this particular section. Okay, so this may be the point 75 by 75 comma 171.59 coordinate. So that is nothing but the centroid of the eye section given. So thank you so much. For further notifications and upcoming videos, subscribe the channel Diploma in Civil Engineering. Also like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.